welcome to AdvenTrisMoto. Today we're going to be traveling to Grado in Italy. We're going to be overnight camping. Let's go!
So we've just passed through the Culverton Tunnel and we're heading down to Lienz. That's a great water slide. You can see the first snow of the autumn season. The temperature has drastically dropped. It's now 7 degrees. It's 8:30 in the morning and we're heading down to Italy for 2 days overnight camping. Let's see how the weekend goes. Woohoo! What an awesome day! Oh my god, these guys are so awesome. I really hope to get this thing out. Welcome to Italy!
Track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details.
I think I just may have found the most insane campsite ever. Wild camping.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up. happy, I'm not gonna wait. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
Hi, welcome to the wild camping campsite. We've got a little fire going over there. We're going to be cooking dinner in about half an hour, just waiting for the coals. Until then, enjoy a nice cold brew and cheers. And on tonight's menu we got sausages, we got a little kebab, we've got dinner ready. Fantastic view of the Grado coastline. Got breakfast on the go, and we're going to be going to Trieste today.
Tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play?
So good, so good, so good.
Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, laying down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore.
Thanks for joining me again, and doing the next adventure.